Welcome to another video. Let's simplify this problem and we get the value of x. The first thing we are going to do here is, so there are two different sides here, which is the right and the left hand side. So we are considered from the right hand side of this problem, which says the general root of root 50 plus root 48. This is equivalent to, we can break this 50 into the product of one perfect square and the other which is imperfect. Then we have 25.2 root. So for the second one as well, so I don't want to do that. Let's just break it into 2 multiplied by 24, so which is still 48. So by further with expansion of this, so we can separate this as root 25 dot root 2 plus root 2 dot root 24, and we know that root 25 is a perfect square. So by plugging it here, we have 5 root 2 plus, so why this one still remain how it is, which is root 2 dot root 24, as dot here is a multiplication. Then root 2 is common, we can just factor it out. So doing that, we are left with 5 plus root 24 in the bracket. Then, so what I will do again here is, so just like little manipulations, this 5, I can break it into the sum of 2 and 3. So doing that, we have the general root, then we have root 2 bracket. Here we are going to have 2 plus 3 plus. So while for this, we can also break it into the product of 4 and 6. 4 times 6 is still 24. So therefore, we have the general root of root 2 bracket, and this root 2, I can change it to root 2 all raised to power 2, which is still 2, plus for the 3 as well, we have root 3 raised to power 2. So both of them still give 2 plus 3. And while for this, so 4 is a perfect square, then we can have this as 2 root 6. Then we close the bracket. And again, we have this equals the general root of root 2 bracket. This is root 2 raised to power 2 plus, we have this as root 3 raised to power 2, then plus, let's break this into product of root 3 and product and 2. Then we have this, because root 3 times root 2 is still root 6, following the rule of sort. And we should know that from what is in the parentheses only, if I compare it with a squared plus b squared, this is plus 2ab. We are going to have it as the sum of a plus b all raised to the power of 2. So that is what it gives. So let's try to compare it with what we have above. We are going to have the compression of it as the general root of, so we have root 2 outside bracket. So here is root 2 plus root 3 all raised to the power 2. That's what I'm going to have. And we can just separate this as, since we are sharing general root, so we can have it as separate of root 2 all roots, then dot the separate of root 2 plus root 3 all raised to the power of 2, and square cancel square roots for this. Then we have root of root 2 bracket root 2 plus root 3. So that is what we have at the right hand side. So for the expansion of this, then let's bring this beside it, which is x dot root 3 plus root 2. And since we are looking for the value of x, so we just try to divide both sides by root 3 plus root 2. So just to get x only at the left hand side. So doing that, we have this, and we also divide it at the right hand side, which is root 3 plus root 2. So these two cancel each other, and we are left with only x, which is equals the general root of root 2. Then for this we can rewrite this thing as root 3 plus root 2, because both are commutative, either root 2 plus root 3 or root 3 plus root 2. So we can have it anyhow. And these two cancel each other. Then we have x equals root of root 2. So that is what we are going to have. And the first root here, I can change it to 1 over 2, which is the power on the root 2. And again, we can have this as 2 raised to power 1 over 2 as well, which is the value of root. Then all raised to power 1 over 2. So which the whole of this is 2 raised to power 1 divided by 4. And we are done with the answer. So for the value of x, which is 2 raised to power 1 over 4. So this is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. And if you have another way of doing this problem, you can just drop it in the comment box so that we can learn together. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.